Today we're going to cover how to set up and take down the core 11-person family cabin tent. Setting up the core 11-person family cabin tent is a relatively straightforward process thanks to the color-coded poles, color-coded sleeves, and the hub pole system with the corresponding color markings. It took me about 20 minutes by myself to put up the tent and an additional 5 minutes for the rainfly. With the second or third person helping, you can easily set it up in about half the time. Alright, so here's how to set up this tent. First up, unfold the tent and the tent legs and move into position. Next, assemble all the various color-coded poles. Insert the poles in the corresponding color-coded sections. The black fiberglass poles go directly on top of the tent, gray poles on the sides of the roof, the orange at the front, and the 6 thick black steel poles to hold the tent up. Stake down the base to help with stability. Then finish attaching the additional front porch support poles. Attach and secure the rainfly using the rainfly clips and ties. And finally, stake down the rainfly guylines for additional wind protection. It's not an easy tent to set up, but once you do have it built, it is huge. Like I said, it took me about 20 minutes by myself to put the tent up and an additional 5 minutes for the rainfly. With the second or third person helping, you can easily set it up in half the time. Taking down this tent takes about 15 minutes, but again can be sped up significantly with help. First, start by opening the doors to allow for airflow. Detach the tent stakes and release any additional guylines, clips, or attachments. Remove the rainfly, clips, Velcro, and rainfly itself. Remove the front porch poles first, then move on to the main structure, removing the side structure poles first. Then collapse the tent structure down and remove the roof poles. Walk, fold, and roll the tent back together. Place the tent back into the bag. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up and taking down the core 11-person family cabin tent. Offering a huge interior, this setup and takedown is one of the longest I've done, but this tent is a true two-room tent and offers a tremendous amount of storage, making it a versatile camping shelter that offers comfort and convenience for larger groups and families.